back to another weekend in the life. Today, just basically chilling out at home. It's a nice first spring morning and yeah, just chilling, not really doing much. Catching up with Nick and Brittany today. We're just gonna go hang out and do whatevs. But yeah, opposite my house at the moment, whole bunch of new apartments getting built, so the guy should be here any second.
Get in, Loser, we're going shopping.
So we just rocked up at Mum and Dad's place. We're gonna go and take their dog for the walk. So yeah, let's go. Chip. Hey, 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 hey. Holy shit. Straight away. Ready? Chip. Where's that stick? So what is she actually looking for? Like she's like looking up. Ready? Are you ready?
What is that, Gyp? What is it? Whoa! What is that? That's a good way to walk a dog. She's loving it. Here you go, Gyp. Right, I'm back.